In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your contacts on TikTok. Once you launch up TikTok, you'll be on the home page. Then what you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner. That will take you to your profile. And now you can see at the top left-hand corner is a little person with a plus symbol. If you tap on that, it's going to bring you up some things. So you can invite friends, and then you see the second option there is contacts, and it will also show you some suggested accounts at the bottom. So if you tap on contacts in the second row, it says sync your contacts to easily find your people you know on TikTok. Your contacts will only be used to help you connect with friends. Tap on continue, allow to access the contacts, and it will just load up for a bit. If someone in your contacts is using TikTok, then you can see it says follow next to their name. You can go ahead and follow them and do whatever you want with your contacts within your TikTok account. But that will be the process of how you find your contacts and how you can follow them if they are on TikTok. If they're not on TikTok, let me just show you real quick. It's going to say invite if they're not on TikTok already. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.